Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to turn on flashlight on call sensor. So to do that, we're heading over to the settings application first. Once you are there, just scroll down and you will find the accessibility option. Head over there. Now you will find the advanced settings option. Go there. Now go to flash notifications in the notification section. Now here you can see there are two types of option. The first one is camera flash notification. So when you get a call, you will get a back camera flash that will just turn on. You can just turn it on and also preview it from here. And if you want a screen flash notification, you can do that too. And suppose I'm turning it on, and if I tap on preview, you will see the preview of it. So as you can see, this was the preview, and you can turn it on and off from here. So yeah, this is how easily you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below. We will reach you out, and don't forget to comment and subscribe to our channel for new videos.